She sells seashells by the seashore.
Would you like to buy a seashell?
Isn't the seashore a really bad place for you to sell seashells?
Huh?
Why would I pay for seashells when they're all around me for free? I'm standing on seashells. I can just bend down and pick one up. Why would I give you money for one? This is a stupid idea for a business. You really haven't thought this through, have you?
Well, shucks, I sell seashells by the seashore.
No, I'm sorry. I won't be investing.
She collects dough checks because she had to close the store.
This is a stupid idea for a business.
Go.